Hi, it's Todd with Kudas Industries, and today I'm in the laundry room. Going to talk about how to put a drive belt onto a GE front load washing machine, sort of like this. Now this is an LG machine, but the same principles apply. What you'll notice about the GE belt is that it is extremely tight, probably more tight than I've seen on a lot of machines with a pulley and a motor setup like this. But there's a couple tricks that I can show you how to get this extremely tight belt back onto the pulley and the motor and get your washing machine back up and running. So let's go.
First thing you want to do is buy a replacement belt. I typically go to ereplacementparts.com. They have a very good database of parts manuals for a variety of different machines and appliances. I found they're a very good resource for parts diagrams. So find your model number on your machine. Sometimes it's on a sticker on the inside of the door when you open it up on the face of the machine. Sometimes it's on the back panel. Rarely it'll be on the sides, but usually on the front, inside of the door, or on the back. Type the model number into the search bar. The results will pop up, and then you click on your machine. Once you click on the machine, you'll see the parts diagrams pop up. The belt will be under the tub and motor page, or on the left hand side there's popular parts and you see the drive belt is listed right there. But if you do click on tub and motor, you'll see that the belt is part number 326. When you click on that, it pops up the part number and the price, so you can purchase it right through this website. You could also get these on Amazon or other websites as well, whatever suits your fancy. Now here's where the tricks come in. So to put this belt on, I actually zip tied the belt as much as I can to the pulley, and then will rotate the pulley with a adjustable wrench or a socket and ratchet if you have one, just to work that belt on top of the rest of the pulley. So you'll notice there's a bunch of zip ties. So you start loose, you zip tie in the bottom as tight as you can, and then work your way around with zip ties. I usually go every couple, 2-3 inches. We'll put a nice heavy duty zip tie on there, and as far as you can go. Now you want to make sure that the belt is also on your motor before you start doing this. So make sure it's on the motor, zip tie, starting from the bottom, work your way around as tight as you can get it by hand, and then I usually put 2 zip ties at the bottom because that's going to have the most tension on it at first. So once it's all zip tied as tight as I can get it, then I'll put an adjustable wrench on the nut on the pulley and slowly start to turn the pulley clockwise, and the belt will work its way up onto the rest of the pulley. Always double check to make sure that it's not slipping off the motor. You may have to put one hand down there to keep the belt on the motor pulley, but go nice and slow, rotating that pulley, and the belt will walk itself right up on top of the pulley. Once you get it on, cut your zip ties off and give your machine a test run. Hope you liked the video and is able to help you out with your machine. Let me know if you have any comments down below, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.